God.
What a sight on the turnpike. The wind so strong today it knocked over a truck. There are no reports of any injuries or serious damage, but in some neighborhoods there is a mess.
One in particular got hit especially hard, with several light poles getting knocked down. It's in southwest Miami-Dade, and we have CBS 4's Hank Tester standing by in that neighborhood. Hank?
Well, 1600 without power in Miami-Dade County right now, but you can see behind me crews are working hard to restore it. Let's take a look. 2 days of intense wind and rainstorms and lightning. The Gables Sunday. This today. Watch as motorists on the turnpike see an 18-wheeler blown over.
This is the wind, dude. Look at this wind, bro. Oh my! Oh my God! Brake.
No one hurt. The streets of Miami-Dade flooded and full of traffic. This car's rear window taken out by a tree. Traffic on Bird Road snarled. Nearby, a downed utility pole ties up a street. From Chopper 4, the major impact in the Westwood Lakes neighborhood north of Zoo Miami and east of the turnpike. A number of utility poles down.
The lights are completely off. We have no electricity.
By mid-evening, there were approximately 3,000 FP&L customers without power in Miami-Dade. FP&L crews and contractors on the scene replacing power poles. For this mom and her 1-month-old daughter, a very scary moment. She thought the powerful storm was a tornado.
So we try to find the safest place and, hope that nothing big happens.
It was like a hurricane, like a mini hurricane.
CBS 4 Craig Setzer tells us while winds of close to tornado speeds likely occurred, the National Weather Service says it was a thunderstorm winds that did the damage, and it scared a lot of folks.
I was sitting in my car was going like this, it was shaking, and then the hail started, and then a big wind came along, and I thought I was going to lose my car.
Well, back live here, linemen, 2.5 hours to replace a pole and the transformer. Amazing. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News Tonight. Back to you.